Hello there, my lovelies.
Hello everyone, hello to all the viewers. So today we are in
Woodgreen Mall.
Yes,
I kid you not.
I like your accent. So we're in the Woodgreen Mall.
That's where they have the Indian market.
Yeah. Over there. Market Hall.
Or maybe I should have gone back at one for your sake.
Really?
Instead of going up these stairs.
Oh look, there's the Dino. That looks cool. So it's Brownfield 6D Cinema. Is it 6D Cinema? Okay.
This wasn't here last time. They have something. The last time they had some massage.
They've got Primark in here as well. Oh, actually, we can pop in there after.
It's like how it was last time. Then.
No, this is not cool. This is like punishment.
That's why I said you want us to go back in the living room.
Yes, please.
Let's go back that way.
Stairs are like kryptonite to me right now.
Yeah, this part reminds me of the Arnold Centre in Luton. This indoor market.
So hi guys, we are in Woodgreen Shopping Mall. Oh, the Primark comes upstairs as well.
So this is the change what Nadine's got like this one.
Yeah, it's...
Me and Levi put it together so he was chuffed.
I like it, it's nice. It's nice, I like the lion detail at the back.
Like a glass table with like crushed glass on it. You see like the side of this?
Yeah.
This thing here?
Yeah.
But the whole of the table is like that.
Oh, that's nice.
But it's quite light because I was thinking it's going to be heavy.
Oh, I like this. Real bubble tea.
Last time.
Toy City, guys. Toy City is here. They've got Mush and they've got Hype, and they've got Choice and they've got TK Maxx. Marina Khalifa. Oh, okay. Oh, let's look in there on our way back.
Before here, they used to have women's clothes upstairs.
Okay, Blue Ink. This is Blue Ink.
What's with those jackets now? That's the perfect time.
Choice. We've got Choice in the Broadway Centre as well. Walk in. Yeah, let's. This is different. What's the shop called? Walk-in. Okay. So guys, I'm in Walk-in, and as you can see, the style is very unique. I really like it. They've got good fashion in here. Look at these tops with a bit of bling. Very nice. Soy and Co top there. Very nice autumn selection of style dresses. So they are based in the Woodgreen Shopping Mall on the top level.
This is £40 up here. It might end this £30 for this.
Oh, that's nice. It's very nice. There's a cherry cocoa jacket. This is menswear N22.
Listen there, I've got nice like crop jackets.
Oh, I like the jeans. Lovely t-shirts. What's the name of the shop?
NV.
NV. Okay, so we are in MV. I definitely recommend coming to check them out when you are up this side of town. Have you seen one you like?
I'm headed down here.
Yes, I'm gonna be down in a moment. Okay, so guys, we are in Styles. So guys, we are now in a shop called Pretty Fit. So that's Pretty Fit. And here's some of the styles that they have on display. Definitely like it.
The only thing with the English, like when you go to Europe, right, in here, the one I bought in Spain has got fur in here.
Top looks really nice.
I didn't even see them up there.
Yeah.
I want us to go down that end for schoolers. You're going to the left.
Ah, Shaw's.
need to go to the wall, or you've got it on you, cash?
I've got it on.
Oh, okay. How much you said the dress was again?
35.
The blue one, yeah?
Yeah.
Because I saw a sequin one.
It was the summer of 65. Oh yeah. So hi guys, we are on Woodgreen High Street and Madam has popped into the shop to see if she can locate her dress. I'm going to pop off to grab a bite to eat in the meantime. Alright, Madam is trying chicken gyoza for the first time. It's this. It's like Chinese steamed dumplings.
No, it's kind of ravioli.
Yes, it looks like ravioli, but it's Chinese steamed dumpling. And you dip it into the soy sauce. And then you enjoy it. What do you think of it?
It's right.
You don't like the soy sauce?
Not that, no. But then I think if it had it, if they didn't have it, it would be kind of bland, isn't it?
So, we are in Itsu.
What's that one Thomas?
This is grilled chicken and noodle. But it's a clear glass noodle, which is rice noodle. Noodle free.
So it's all healthy.
Very healthy.
Wasn't there all like noodle thing?
Noodle, rice bowls, salads, teriyaki. Because I was going to go to the noodle.
What do you call teriyaki?
Teriyaki, it's a seasoning. That's sweet and...
Oh, just like how you have tambourine.
Yeah, sweet and something. With the teriyaki. So yeah, so you couldn't find the dress you were looking for?
Man, I'm sort of like bearing that dress in mind.
Well, I think we should go for it, the blue or the royal purple.
So I would have liked that in blue, I mean black.
Or go for the black one and wear the ties.
How much was that one? I think it's about the same.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to finish
Which one do you think
the lunch.
look more classy?
I think the blue
Then,
or the purple.
but if I wear
With silver sparkle shoes.
then I'm thinking, what would I wear on top? Because even if I bought the black one, it's the same difference again. Then I could have wear my fur jacket or something. But I'm saying with that blue, I can't wear it like with my red fur jacket. Oh yes, it's black. I don't want to wear too much blue.
I hope this mic sounds clear because everywhere has got copyright music going on. So, Madam has tasted my healthy lunch and she's up to go over to KFC, so she's gone over to KFC. And I'm carrying on sticking to my healthy options. So we've got the chicken noodle soup and it's got sesame. I've put some sesame in there. Tasty.
So this time I did the hair, make sure you give me a cup of money.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
That's progress.
Yeah, we'll go away when you touch me towards the end of the day. Time just flies. You would have loved where I went to St. Albans the other day with the sheeps and all that, like proper going into the...
Yeah.
I never have enough storage on my phone as I was going to film it to show you. I know you like those things.
Yeah.
That's what made Granny Baby do that, like the internet, because she's fast. She want to know what these things that you say. She's like, and I'll be like. All this place they could have did lick it down and build a more the house till man with them things there. You know, like how you have a white, they have even like St. Anne's and they have the small thing here. That's right. But look, they changed all these office complexes into flats now.
Yeah. So it's gonna be high-rise flats.
They're already
This one.
This people's already in there.
Is the gym still there?
Yeah, and the people them is in there.
Okay.
But you see what over? You see on the left.
So guys, we have finished in Woodgreen. We're making our way down to Greenford. We got caught in a lot of traffic. You've got the after school rush hour, which caught us up, and now you've got the office workers heading home. So the road was chock-a-block on the North Circular, but we are now almost in Greenford. Lovely British weather we're having. Yes, we're enjoying the lovely British weather we're having.
Say that again. It's one of the few places in the world that you'll have 4 seasons in one day. I kid you not.
Yep, you heard it. 4 seasons in one day. Oh dear.
I got to do the brakes now. I mean, it's just mashing up the whole of the suspension now.
It's these potholes. Yes, Madam is having a rant about the potholes.
About your arm in LA. Look at the state of the road. I tell you.
Oh dear.